Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying access and prerequisites so nothing blocks deployment. Log into the developer console, confirm two-factor authentication, and open your app entry. Once done, export the current bundle and store metadata as a backup. Make sure to record the target version number, changelog items, and minimum supported SDKs. This avoids rollbacks. Now, open your build environment and run a local release build to validate the artifact and checksum before moving into the store submission flow. Next, upload the signed build to the appropriate track and configure release settings. Choose internal or beta for testing or staged rollout for gradual exposure. Once selected, assign the artifact to that track and verify the checksum matches your local build. Complete metadata, release notes, localized screenshots, feature graphic, and any required privacy or permissions declarations. Make sure to set version code /version name correctly and select target devices. Then save the draft and run automated validation. Finally, launch the rollout and watch key signals closely. Start a staged rollout at a small percentage. Monitor crash rates, error, installs, and user feedback. Once metrics are stable and feedback is positive, increase the audience and promote to full production. Make sure to update analytics and support channels with the new version details. If something goes wrong, immediately halt the rollout, roll back to the previous build, collect device logs, and store console errors. Fix the root cause, and re-upload a corrected, signed build for a fresh rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.